right, so we just got this, and I do believe that it is a car phone mount air vent version. So let's unbox it and see what the heck we got here. Okay, that's pretty easy. The thing with these is I've got Pro Max, so I need it to really pop open far, which it does. Whoops. So you can see how it works. Like, squeeze it, press, it pops out. Back here, you gotta undo this. You know what I mean, jelly beans? And there should be this little catcher in here. Let's see. Yeah, there it is. So this is the little thing that goes on the vent. But first you gotta stick it in this hole, right? So what you want to do is you want to put this through like that, and then smush that in that little hole, and then you zip this on, just like this. If I can get it to go on. That's it. And then this just slips into your vent on your car. And you put your phone right in there by popping this open. Let me grab a phone here. Grab one. All right, so here's a Pro Max. Set it in there, squeeze it, and then Bob's your uncle. Now, whether this stays in your vent or not, I don't really know if it's gonna. It doesn't want to squeeze this very good. There we go. Now it's working. So now we just got to try it in the car and see how she works. So this you can loosen or tighten, right? And depending on where you're putting it, see how it's got a little hook there? And so the idea is you slip it in the vent and it kind of hooks like this and stays in there. But that's a lot of weight for that little piece of plastic. We'll have to try it out and see what we think. Because, oh look, wait a minute. If I've got a way to slide this out. Oh, shit. All right, now I see how to do it. So this makes that go out or come back in. So now oh, that's ingenious. That's smart. So now I can take this and I can slide it in there like that, hook it. But I got to go farther because my vent is big. All right, here we go. Let's see if I can get it on there. Oh yeah, that's it. Now I just got to tighten it. All right, this is a much better system because now you can get it nice and tight and it actually will work. And then I just turn this. All right, there, I did it. I fingered it out. All right, now let's try putting the phone in. Pop it, drop it, squish it, and I can turn it too, I think, a little bit. Let me see. Yeah, that's about it. This is about as much as I'm gonna get. But that's pretty cool. That's gonna work. All right, so we fingered it out, all right? So you've got to open that thing up. Let's undo it again, so I'll show you. So depending on how big your vent is, depends on how much you got to open this. See, I really have to open it because my vent's big. You know what I mean? There we go. So see how I got it like this? Let me show you. See how that's way up like that? And then once I stick it in there, then I tighten it down like this. You follow me? So what I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to take this vent. I'm going to move it just a bit this way, like that. Then I'm going to slide this in, right? Just like this. Catch it. And then I'm going to tighten it down. I'm going to put it low, because I want it down here, right? And then what I got to do, though, you got to get the vent in that. See those little creases right there? You got to get it in there. Once you got that, then you can just tighten it. Let's make sure I got it in there. Yeah. So yeah, you got to get that on both sides, right? So then you just tighten her down. This is a better system, man. This is a much better system. And then I can twist this so it's facing me, right? And then when I put my phone in here, Bob's your uncle. So good. Much better than over here. because this doesn't have enough room. It's got my steering wheel in the way. But that's going to work great. All right, so I'm just going to leave it there, man. Bob's your uncle. Look, I figured it out. That's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you cool stuff like this. Peace out.